So just wanted to show you a new product that's available today. We get asked all the time about which is the best glitters and pigments to start off with, which ones should I start with first or which ones to choose. So we've come up with a little selection kit which we're going to show you now that has a good range of some of our popular glitters and pigments in lots of different colours. It's a great starter kit, or just if you can't decide which colours to go with. So you'll receive it in a little box like this. And when you open it, give you an idea of what's inside. So you'll get a good selection. There's some Rebel glitters in there. Got some opal flakes. There's a selection of different shades and different sizes. You get pigments. So you'll get some pigment colours, some chameleon pigments. There's a good range in there of, you get some bigger sizes. Fine and chunky glitters. There's a nice selection there of different shades and colours. So it's in the Resin Starter Kit collection, and in value you're getting in total what would be worth £100 worth of products in this kit. So it's a great way to get started, or if you just can't decide which colours, to get a nice selection.
Yay! Thank you.
Thank you.